favorite part in the summer semester. I learned many vocabulary and also the grammar, which was improved.
By listening to TED Talks and answering to them, discussing in the classes, we enhanced our skills in listening. Moreover, we also enjoyed the discussions between the class.
Favorite part about AP1 this semester is that the class started at 2 p.m. and the teacher is very nice and helpful to me and give me good feedback so I can improve my English.
As every week they are having the reading logs and writing logs, as it improves my reading speed and even my writing speed also.